Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make these smoothie cups. These are a great option if you're on the go, something quick to have in your freezer. You can quickly pull them out and pop them into the blender. So I'm starting off with some fresh greens. These are going to be the base of all of our smoothies. I'm using a mixture of spinach and kale. Here I'm just sorting out the spinach, washed it, chopped it, and then I'm dividing them up between all my cups. I'm using a 16-ounce plastic cup for all these smoothies. So for my first smoothie, what I'm going to do is prep some avocados. So I'm just cutting some avocados in half, and then I have some bananas and some berries. So this is my first smoothie right here. We're going to do spinach, kale, cucumbers, strawberry, mango, and banana. The second one is spinach, kale, blueberries, blackberries, chia seeds, and nuts. And the last smoothie, we're gonna do avocado, banana, spinach, and blueberries. And I'm just sorting this evenly between all of my cups. And then what I'm gonna do next is, once all my cups are made, we're gonna put them into the freezer. So I just let these freeze overnight, and you can quickly grab and go when you're on the go. So I just grab these out of my freezer. I'm gonna add about a cup of milk to the cup. You can add a little bit more liquid if you need to, but a cup of milk goes in. And then I'm just gonna pour this over the contents, let it kind of soften up, and then I'm gonna dump this into a blender. I'm gonna use a NutriBullet for this. And then just pop this onto your NutriBullet 45 seconds or longer. And then I pour this into a cup, put the lid on it, and then pop a straw in it and enjoy.